Hey guys, Lisa here from Focus Nutrition Medicine and Accelerate. What's cooking today, as you saw in the previous picture that I just put together into my NutriBullet, was basically 2 bananas, 2 eggs, some almond milk and some water, and I've blended up in the NutriBullet, and then I've actually just poured it into a bowl. So I've just poured the ingredients from that into the bowl. I'm now going to add 1 cup of almond meal, 1 cup of hemp seeds. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla powder. It's vanilla bean powder, which is 100% vanilla bean. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of gluten-free, not gelatin, baking powder. Sorry, nearly said gelatin. And I'm going to mix it up, and I'm going to put it into the cook pan and bake it in the oven until I touch it and it springs back and the skewer's actually got no bits of cake left on it. So look out for the end result, and I will put the recipe at the bottom. Enjoy. Had to add another cup of almond milk because there's too much liquid there. So put it all in. A little bit watery, so hopefully it'll turn out just fine, because I don't have any more almond milk to add. If you find that you are stuck, I could have added a little bit of gluten-free flour to it, but I actually really didn't want to this time because I wanted it to be flourless. I just wanted to use the almond meal.